making cars moves us. What moves you?
The Guam Legal Services Corporation's budget has been cut by about 26% because of sequestration or automatic across-the-board cuts which took effect on March 1st. Sequestration happens when Congress fails to agree on a budget. Executive Director Hank Parker says this figure is based on Guam's poverty levels.
The LSC grant, however, is based on poverty guidelines, and that although Guam went up slightly in poverty, it didn't go up as much as most of the states. So as a result, we have a cut from our legal services grant of 26.53%.
In addition, Parker says non-discretionary funding was already cut by as much as 8.4% in the fiscal year 2012 budget for the entire Legal Services Corporation.
Across the board, everybody in the country, or everybody in the non-discretionary funding, was cut 5.1%. However, that 5.1% was for the entire fiscal year of 2012, and that began last November, last October. So we're really going to have to spread that across 6 months, so now it becomes 8.4%.
So what does this mean for Guam's indigent population needing legal services? Well, Parker says some may be forced to seek private counsel, which would normally require out-of-pocket expenses.
The clientele intake will be taking place. Normally we try and do 4 new intakes a day. It'll be reduced to 3 because we won't have as many people here to cover.
And if it runs out in August?
Well, we have other grants under which we can do some work. Some of it can be done under the Legal Services Corporation grant, and some can be done under a disabilities grant. For instance, a person with disabilities who's being in need of a protective order may be able to get one under one of those grants.
As a last resort, Parker says some individuals needing protective order services will have to seek legal assistance elsewhere.
There will be fewer people that can qualify for those.
Okay.
And the net result will be that we will anticipate that we won't be able to take near as many cases for protective orders.
Right.
We have emphasized that to the national and asked them to process us as fast as they can, but you know, that we may even be denied. You never know. You're not guaranteed a grant.